Value of games. Games and sports are necessary part of our life. They are to the body what education is to the mind. But, no, they are an integral part of education itself. Games provide the best physical exercise to a child. They improve our digestive system and make us strong and smart. In the modern world, which is full of struggle, it is very necessary to have a strong body. One who is physically weak is prone to many diseases. Games make our body elastic. They provide us relaxation and entertainment. There are different kinds of games and sports. There are indoor games, as cards, chess, Ludo, etc. Out of the outdoor games, hockey, football, volleyball, cricket, tennis, etc. are the more common ones. Races, jumps, throws, weight lifting are some of the other kinds of the sports. Games and sports are necessary and useful for all.